Welcome back everybody. Today I am back with another trying TikTok hacks video. There is so many TikTok hacks. I think it's endless at this point, and I feel like every single week there is a new trend on TikTok. We're trying out clothing hacks, food hacks, and just everyday hacks. Speaking of clothing hacks, this video is sponsored by Fashion Nova Curve. So thank you to Fashion Nova Curve for sponsoring this video. I'm wearing one right now, and I will show you guys what I got in a minute. So I got different pieces from Fashion Nova Curve. I got some super cute sets. I got jumpsuits. I got a variety of jeans, tops. If you actually have not noticed, I've been legit living in Fashion Nova, and I'm talking even before I got sponsored by them, especially their jeans. That's legit all I wear. All I wear is Fashion Nova jeans. Everything is just so comfy yet so cute, and it fits so well. Honestly, you guys, like no BS, for me personally, and I genuinely mean this, Fashion Nova Curve was what literally inspired me to step out of my comfort zone. I'm not trying to sound cliche, but genuinely, this was the first store that I found that I actually loved the plus size clothing. Don't even get me started on the jeans, because that's why I originally got into Fashion Nova Curve. The high waist and stretch of it all. I got so many cute pieces for fall that I'm so excited to wear. Click the link at the top of my description box to shop your Fashion Nova Curve look. From someone who's been a customer for legit years, you guys, I really recommend them. Let's go ahead and get straight into some TikTok hacks. Okay, I saw some TikToks on how to crop your top without actually cutting it. I do this a lot with my tops, where I actually just like chop it, because I love t-shirts and like the graphic tees and all, but I don't like how baggy they could look on me. I feel like for my figure, it just makes me look bulkier. I don't know, I do that a lot where I like completely cut it. There's actually a few hacks that I saw on TikTok on how to crop your tops without necessarily cutting it, and also it looks like cool, fun, different styles of doing it. This one is by Jessica Wang Official on TikTok. This is an accordion knot on your shirt. This one's interesting. It's something I've never done with my tees, so I'm gonna try it out today. Okay, so she grabs the shirt like this and then grabs it like this. I don't know if you guys see what I'm doing, because I actually tried this a couple times off camera and I was a little bit confused. I was like, wait, that looks so much easier. Okay, something like this. That? Do I just tie it? I think that's it. And then she ties it with a rubber band. So this is what we got right now. I feel like this could go higher, but you can see the effect. It actually looks pretty good. Like, this is something that I've never done on a tee before, like ever. Like, I usually just do a knot or something, and it's not just like cutting it. Like, it actually has, you know, character to it, which is cool. Let's get into other ways to crop your tops without cutting them. Shout out to Camila Coelho. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. This TikToker shows us different ways to crop it as well. So basically, grab two ends, one end. I can't come in that much. And then she twists like that. So then she just tucks these in like that. Oh shoot, it actually gets a really good grip. Like, it's there, it's not going anywhere. I'm like trying to breathe out to see if it pops out, and it's not popping out, which is good. This is like, you know, one of those ways to just like tie it up, but like not necessarily make a knot, which is good, because also sometimes like when you make too many knots, like it leaves that like shape to it, you know, sometimes it like messes with a shirt. So this is a good one where I didn't even tie it at all. That's a good one. In front of me I have some grapes. I have a Jello, toothpicks, parchment paper, and some cups. We're making rainbow jelly grapes. Rainbow Jello grapes. This is actually by Honey Boba Bear on TikTok. Now that I'm looking at her user, I'm like, yo, I've tried a lot of her hacks out before. They look really delicious. It looks like a great snack during summer. Now look, you know, September's here. We all want to believe that fall's here already. But girl, it is hot. This is a very simple hack, and it looks so delicious. So basically, you take some grapes, and you're actually gonna soak these in water. So I'm gonna put them in here, and the water is basically just to like give it a coat so that it grips onto the Jello. And we're also gonna take all our Jello, so I'm literally just gonna put the powders in these cups, and then we're just gonna dip the grape in there. I have all my different flavors. I'm gonna take my toothpick, grab my grape like that, and I'm just gonna dip it into the Jello powder, and that's all you do, like that. Now you just have to put them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, and that's it. Okay, it's been a good 2 hours. They actually don't taste like Jello. What do they taste like? They taste like candy. It gives it like a little sour taste. It's weird. I feel like cherry just straight up tastes like candy to me, but when I taste the lemon flavored one, like, it's sour. I feel like kids that like don't want to eat fruit, like they would be thriving with this, because it tastes like legitimate candy. Okay, so I saw this TikTok by Uncut Crystal. She basically shows these brushes that go onto drills, these brushes that you get on Amazon. We're gonna test these out because a brush on a drill is genius. Like these counters are so disgusting right now, you guys. Like there's slime everywhere. Like it's just crusty, the house. So I'm gonna try to get in there with this and see if we could polish it up. Okay, so this stuff right here is just stained with a bunch of glue supplies. This stuff right here is nearly impossible to get out. Oh my gosh, I mean, it loosened it up. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, this food hack has to be the most unhealthy thing I've ever, well, not ever made, because girl, I have made a lot of TikTok food hacks that are not so healthy, but holy crap, this right here is so much sugar, but it looks so delicious. This is by Stokes Twins on TikTok. Basically like a skillet of just a bunch of chocolate and cookie dough, and it looks amazing. So this is basically a skillet that has Reese's cookie dough in it, Kit Kats, Hershey's and cream, more Reese's cups, and Oreos. So we're just gonna get a layer of ham on there. I'm just gonna dump these straight in here. Then they just go in with everything else. They do them in sections. I love, love, love Oreos. Look at these. Pumpkins. Pumpkins! And then you top it off with more cookie dough. I just placed them everywhere, and once I put them in the oven, they should all spread out nicely. We're putting it in the oven for about 25-26 minutes at 350. So let's throw it in the oven. It is out of the oven. It looks pretty amazing. It looks like a giant cookie. I'm actually gonna cut the center to show you guys everything, because you know how I was like put in sections? The middle's gonna have a little bit of everything. Cookies and cream, Kit Kat, Reese's. Oh my gosh, I see it. And then the Oreo. Oh my god. This is insane. This is so good. This is so good. I really thought that this was one of those, like, it looks amazing, but I was like, yo, that can't even be like that good, because it's just so much, so like you could tell it's just pure chocolate, you know, but delicious. It's the cookie for me. The cookie, this is everything. It's like a giant stuffed cookie. It's amazing. Peter, you know that.
Oh my god.
Well, a lot of things, like there's chocolate and stuff in there.
Peanut butter?
David's gonna like flip with this. My little brother like loves candy.
Ooh.
Yeah? David, insane, huh? Isn't it crazy, David? Like, what is the reason? Just eat it all right. This TikTok is by ebond2338, and they basically recreated James Charles jeans that have chains on them. She did this with jeans that she mentioned were a little tight fitting, and that she thought would be a cool idea to upcycle them. These jeans, they actually like do fit fine. They're just a little bit snug. I just thought they would look so cute with the chains. I just want to try this hack in general on any jeans. Let's do it. First things first is cutting our jeans. So basically she just goes down the side right here. I'm just gonna cut straight down. Oh my god, I'm scared. I hope I don't mess this up. Because they actually do fit and are not that tight, I'm gonna cut off a piece because I'm scared to just do it that way and then have them be like really loose. So I'm gonna cut about an inch on each side. I just placed these down where I think I want to put them. So we're just gonna go based off that. I've never really worked with clothing and crafting, honestly. Okay, so we got the first hole down, it looks like. The other side of the eyelet goes up here, and then you put this right here. And then you tap it with a hammer. And it kind of like bends it over and it locks it into place. So we got one down, 15 to go. So now that we're done putting the eyelets in, we got this chain and we're just gonna start threading it through through the eyelets. We're just putting it through. Yo, like this is literally like, I could not wear this. Like, I'm not saying like, oh my god, I can't wear this because I can't show skin. My butt is coming out the sides. I think I cut way too far back. I feel like when I cover it like this,
It doesn't look bad.
sickening.
Yeah, everything.
Take my hands off, sick. You should only be able to see it from the sides. But if I turn around like from the back, I feel like you'd be able to see it. I wouldn't even wear this like in my house in front of my parents. Like this feels weird.
Yeah. And then from the side,
Even from the side when I'm like this chilling, it's like, hey. Girl, I just don't. It's literally like this on the side. They're literally this wide on the side. Like I'm literally measuring it's like this wide. Like, holy crap. I'm done. I think you guys should try this out because it looks really cute. Like it really does. And even when I cover it up, I'm like, yo, like this could have been so cute. I feel like I just really need to like tighten it. You know what I mean? Okay, we have a watermelon. We have a knife. We have a cutting board and we have some Jello. Yes, more Jello. Okay, so I've seen this everywhere. It's cutting open your watermelon, taking all the watermelon out and filling it with Jello. Shout out to @AlexOjeda on TikTok. There's a lot of watermelon hacks. Like there's the one where you shove soda in it and it's supposed to like give it a flavor. I tried that out when I actually first did TikTok hacks and surprisingly it actually tasted like soda. So all these watermelon hacks are insane, but they usually work. I suck at cutting watermelons. Like, girl, what am I doing? Oh gosh. There you go. Bam! We have an empty shell. This is the only thing I don't like about these when you put Jello in them. It's so wet inside. Like no matter how much you try to dry it, it's just wet. And I'm like, yo, is it even gonna hold on to the Jello? Now all we're gonna do is start adding our gelatin. So to the mix, we're actually gonna add half the water that's recommended so that it could be sturdier and stronger, more of a gummy instead of being like too jiggly and have it fall apart since it's a watermelon. So we want it to be a little thicker. It's really jiggly to have been like double the gelatin.
Right?
Right? But you know what? It's fine. Squishy is meant to be in frame right now.
You can see the camera guy. What the hell?
I feel like with anything fragile like this, like I will 100% mess it up. I'm gliding. Feels like I'm gliding. I'm trying to glide. I hope that's what I'm doing. Okay, it looks like less colors than we actually used. It looks so much like deeper, you know? Blue, there's red, green, and yellow. I don't know how people make it look like so cool, like when they cut, they like have really bright colors throughout. Oh no. I mean, you can see the colors now. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, we love Jello watermelon.
So fragile.
We're doing a watermelon eating race for no reason at all. Like none. We have Peter, we have David, and then we have Squishy. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I don't like Jello.
David, I'm done. You don't like it?
Oh,
What?
It's a lot of Jello.
Oh, that's a lot of Jello. Oh. You guys, are you sure you want to do this? Peter.
Wait, how?
I'm not a Jello person, but I just thought this was fun.
Not a
You know
Jello
what?
person, I don't know. Every time I've done this hack, I've literally done this like 3 times. You gotta let it sit for hours in the fridge. This took like 24 hours because like you have to let each layer sit for like 4 hours. By the time you cut it, like it's falling apart. So it's like, what is the reason? I guess it's cute, you know?
It's the jiggle for me.
It's the jiggle. And that is it for these TikTok hacks. Girl, I just feel like after all these videos, my stomach is turning. You know what? I don't know what it is about Jello. Thank you obviously to Fashion Nova Curve for sponsoring this video. Everything I've worn in this video has been by Fashion Nova. I've done like multiple outfit changes throughout the video. And literally everything, even the ones that I was like DIYing and stuff for the TikTok hacks, like it is all Fashion Nova Curve, so go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to click that like button. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.